ولا لا شيء وأنا السلام عليكم ميلول بجوكتين يا ما أنت وحواي سنين أنا وتاي أنا واسكر حيسونا واسكر باشالونا الحمد لله خير ما أنت نكتي واحد هذه ميل في عنا رنا أدنو أنا نكتي هلا سلجنا وباشالونا إني قلنا وحني ورجينا يا رحستي يا باشاشين أنا سلادين الدكتور سلادين important واي نمبر كاسة ومهم سد سلاد دا يا دكتور وحول بسوق بسد وحني ورجيها سلادين الدكتور because سلاد الآن you know you're nothing ما فاهمينه وحمتيد سلاد لا دي سلاد الدكويس وحمتيد وحنا ديلين وسلامتي ملو بسلامنا ملك سجوكتين
Exactly. We're just driving around, cruising.
دينا أدقوري أكسو بحني you know سوحي نو تاي أنا الحمد لله وحن صعنا عدا نكتي الرواق ستوير هاو قدس أيسو خالتو ما فهمنو واكي رجينا وحني دها ولا لهي وحني دها ناكا دي أروستي ناكتو حال رواي على الشاشالي
Exactly.
ما نفهم
Yeah.
okay.
So I'm entering this.
ناكتا يا شاشالي ستالا روا شالي ناكتا إلا كنفت عدي لوكا جبت تا يا شالي ستوا because ناكتا اللي خطا دونك فملكا وكديراتي نايا أروستي ما فهمنو ناكتا هذا وحكس كوي ناكتا هذا إلهي كوي يا ناكتا هذا فمل كوي هور كوي أب كوي شيف كوي
Exactly.
مركز ناكتا حال روا يا وراح يسد إذا راح يستال روا هذا اللي ما كلي عليه ماني نرجع تملك ستا كبحد ناكتا حال روا يا شالسين
It's right. You know, everyone has a different way of treating their wives, right? And yeah, giving a little attention and love is something a man is supposed to do, and so as a female, you know, it goes both ways. And yeah.
يا وحنا دينا أنا وحوحيسني أنا كور وحوحيس حمر وحنداي شالي نكتي أنا هليلي وحديس ولا كذا حمر كمادي مردو وحدادي وجعلادي أنا وحدادي إذا أنا بحمر الرواي كنت أنا حدا هذا أو فهمنا.
Yeah, that's because I'm born here, and you know, and it's, you know, I was born here, so it's better to like as a girl born here, I want to actually get to know people back home, you know, my mom's side of the family, my dad's side of the family, get familiar with the language and the culture very well, you know, and improve some things about myself as a person.
نعم ناكتي وحكست أي شيء توصيح يعني واني شيء ملحويني أنا نختي وناكتا ملحوين ونختي وحكست أي جاي شيء سي فهمنو dad waxay ku dhahaan warkooda dhageysan naagtahay adi asla jiifatiin waa soo kacdiin waa isla jiraysiin caafimaad asla qabtiin lawadiina is og ma fahmino marka waxaa la rabaa naagta wax saaxiibkaa ku noqoto and meel walba aadid boors camal gacanta u gashay.
Yeah, and that goes for all couples. All couples, you know, it's good. Understanding and communication is the key to everything and to keeping a relationship strong. So you know, people out there, couples, I suggest that, you know, communicate and bond greatly with one another. And, you know, like, you know, become like a family.
Like best friends.
Yeah, become like best friends, family, laugh together, you know, be there for each other and stuff like that, you know.
Yeah.
It teaches you a lot.
نكتي أنا دوحة إيماني Chinese بفير أنت العنو فير سو معنا have to say about the food?
The food is very delicious. It's a great place. You eat a variety of food. And it's called the Chinese buffet.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, it's very nice. The inside is very nice. The food is very nice.
Wife happy life. nolol fiican dirati naagta u raaxay hadii kale aday qusaysaa wallahi alxamdulillah.
Hello, you recording my set that?
My naagtay maanta hala ana bashal alxamdulillah waxaan soo baxnay Chinese buffet. Somali badan ma arkin oo cunto Chinese cunaan ma arkin baan.
What's on your mind? I see that you are struggling. Why wasting time to try to fix this on your own?
Aniga Soomaali ana guriyoon kursana cunto alxamdulillah. Naagtay karsaa cunto ma alxamdulillah.
But this is just like our occasional, out to eat, which we do sometimes.
Yeah. Dib ma qabnaan alxamdulillah. Marka so naagta waxa la rabaa walaalay naagta waxa la rabaa inuu raaxaysid faamino alooshu buuxisid gaalash waxa ku dheena happy wife happy life mano. Yeah.
Partner, right? Just do your thing, that's what you do as a couple.
Someone like you, you got this humble heart and sweet like cherry pie. But you build up this wall. I try to climb but I keep falling down.
Dadka warkooda iska dhaafa. Yeah.
Live your life.
Yeah,
just don't care about what anyone thinks. Live your life with your spouse, Islamically, and do what's best for you. Just don't bother too much about anyone's judgment. At the end of the day, God is the only one who can judge you. So yeah, just go on with your life, enjoy your day, make your family, meet whoever you want to meet with, and try to make a connection and bond at the same time. But don't let anything put you down or screw you up. So yeah. Have a positive day.
walaalay waxaan dhahan hadii oo kastoo lacag kaasitiin farxaasitiin naag iskaarosa shan naag qabta naagta adi isla baashaala saaxiib ku dhiga naagta حسد اسكو نقلنا حسد من اسكو نقل ما فعل حسد نمو فعل ولا لا حسد من نقله ناكتر حسد من نقله.
Yeah, and that's what called agalis,
Yeah.
Don't let people tell you what to do, what you gotta do, and stuff like that. Because at the end of the day, they will have a remark for you, They will tell you what to do, how to dress, how to talk, and what you should do in certain situations. Don't let people get into your mind.